Alright guys, so I welcome you to another part of our importation training using 1688, and I believe so much you guys are learning one or two things in this training. And in this section I'm going to teach you guys how to log in successfully on your 1688 app without any stress. All you have to do is to follow the step by step I'm taking in this video, so you'll be able to have a full access to your 1688 app. And like I said in the past of using our Alipay, if you can remember, let me quickly take you back to Alipay right here, this Alipay here. Okay, so like I said in the past, this is your sorry. So like I said here, this is your login username. Okay, this Taba account here is what we are going to use as our username on 1688 app. So let me quickly go to the app. So I believe so much you have successfully installed the app. So I'm going to click on the app. So I'm going to click on it. Then the app load up. Okay. So let's tap on anywhere to assist that page. So now for you to log in successful to this app, because just click on the pop-up, you don't need that. So for you to log in successful on this app, you need to come down below right here, because without logging you won't be able to do have more features of as far as this is concerned. Click on here to log into the app successfully. Click on that. So I click on that, it takes you right here. Okay. Now there are different options by which you can use to log in. So in this regard, I'm going to use Alipay to log in. This is the Alipay login. So I'm going to make use of this one right here. Okay. Alipay login. So when you use your Alipay, when you use your Taba username, you have automatically log in to you automatically link the Alipay with your 1688 straight up without any stress. So you can see it right here. It has linked my Alipay straight up. All you have to do is to click on login. Okay, click on login. Okay, so at this point here, you can click on here. But before that, you have to tap on this agreement and condition here at the top here. Just tap on this box here, this short box. Just tap on that. So I don't know why it was hide in that place. So you can see what I just click now. So having done that, you have to click on here for full login. Click on that. Straight up. So you can see you have successfully logged into your 1688 app without any stress, even without using your Taba username and the password again. And if you follow this step, you have automatically linked your Alipay with your 1688 account without any stress, which simply means that you can pay supplier direct without any stress. You can as well chat up with the supplier without any. So let's say for instance you want to talk to this particular supplier right here. You can click on the product picture. When you click on the product picture, you tap on here to start chatting with the supplier. All this possible, you can click on allow. All this possible is because you have successfully logged in to this account without any stress. So this is how you log in successfully into your 1688 app using your Alipay login detail without any stress. I hope you guys understand this video and you learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumb up, and also Don't forget to ask more questions if you have any further questions as far as this tutorial is concerned. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.